Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, in this video we are going to build an admin panel for our ReactJS for e-commerce application. So guys, we are going to start with the mini e-commerce application using ReactJS and Laravel API. So guys, now let's get started. So first we are going to install our fresh ReactJS application. So guys, let's move to our documentation. So let's move to our folder where I have installed a XAMPP folder. Inside that XAMPP folder, I am creating a ReactJS app. So let's right click and open your bash, git bash. If you have your normal terminal, that is also fine. Let's get back. Let's go to the docs and create a new app over here. So we are on the version 17.02. So let's create the app. As you can see guys, you have to install your node and npm, then only you can create the app. So make sure you have installed your node.js and your npm also. So now let's create an app and let's paste. And now guys, we are going to change the project name as React Ecom and hit enter. So guys, it's creating. So it will take some time. So let's just wait for that to finish. So guys, our ReactJS application is successfully installed. And now let's close this terminal. Let's go to our folder. And this is our application guys. So now let's run this. So just open with the git bash with your current project name. Okay, so this is my project name, React Ecom. So let's npm start and starting. So cool. So you can see that it started over here. Perfect. So guys, our ReactJS is installed, running now. So let's open this file with the VS Code editor. Open. So as simple guys. Now let's download one admin template. So I'm using SB admin, where I'll be using the first SB admin, not the second one. So let's use this admin, which you can see a live preview of this over here. Okay. So this is the dashboard guys. And we have many more pages and this sidebar drop down list. Okay, so we'll be using this. As simple. Let's close this and just click to free download. Perfect. So it's downloaded. Let's move to our downloads folder. So this is my file. Let's extract here. So it's extracted guys. Let's move inside. Let's open this with another editor. In another editor. Okay, cool. Let's close all this. So let's get started. So before getting started, I just want to double click on this index.html. You can see that view. Okay, so first we are going to create this view for our admin. Okay, so first move to your React app and create a folders inside your resource folder called assets. Inside this assets you need admin folder and another for front end. Okay, inside this admin folder you need CSS files. So for that, let's get back over here. So we downloaded right these three files. So let's copy and paste inside your resource admin. Inside admin you have to paste it. Paste, done. So we have got the three files. You can see that inside admin these three files are done. And now guys, as simple, for the front end we don't have right now, so just ignore that. Let's start with the second folder, which we have to create components. So let's create a components and one for the layouts. lay layouts folder, and inside this layouts folder we need another folder called admin and one more folder for the front end. Okay, so front end. Perfect. So inside this admin we require many things like navbar.js. so why this navbar.js? because we are using our dashboard. This is the navbar and this is the sidebar. So let's make that page. One is navbar, one is sidebar.js, and one is footer.js, and one more thing which we are seeing, as this main page. Okay, master page. So we require a master page. So let's get back, let's open and create a master layout, we will tell. Okay, .js file, as simple. So guys, now we will go back to our template where index.html we have executed, right? So I'll just show you that file. So this is the index.html. Let's get back. Now let me just arrange a simple thing. This is the body. Let's minimize this navbar first, and this is the layout. This is the side nav over here. Let's minimize, as simple, and this is the layout content where you will find all the detail of this, and this is your footer. Okay, as simple, guys. So first let's move to our master. So and this master one we are going to create import React from React and create one constant variable where master layout is equal to open and close where arrow function, and let's export default master layout. All set, and inside this we are going to return the div open and close where class name is equal to, inside this double quotes we have to paste this first navbar fixed. Okay, all set, and after this I want this navbar. So let's call the navbar component navbar. Okay, and import the class of this. So let's import navbar from, you can see this master, and inside this current directory we have that, right? So let's call that /navbar. All set, and let's go to this navbar. Okay, so now guys, same way you are going to copy and paste, and few things we are going to change, like this master layout to navbar because it's a navbar. Let's remove all this, we don't require, and remove this. All set, guys, and now you need to copy your navbar. So let's copy this navbar and paste inside this return function. Okay, all set. We don't require this commenting, so we just need to remove that. Okay, let me just minimize this sidebar and just replace all the class with the class name. Okay, so let's Control C, Control F, and replace with the class capital NAME name. Okay, and replace. Perfect. Set. And now guys, there is one error over here inside this A tag. So in React we don't use A tag directly, we use a link tag to display the A tag. So for that, let's call the link over here LINK, link, and the href you have to change to 2. Okay, like TO2, oops, 2, this will be your hash. So still it's showing an error. So for this, guys, you need to import the class. So import open and close link from what? React router DOM. So you need to install first. Let me just open the terminal. Just type npm install React router DOM, hit enter. So our React router DOM will get installed. So our React router DOM is installed, and let me just kill this terminal, not required now. And now guys, as simple, so instead of a tag you have to make it to link tag. A tag, where this also will be link. Okay, and href2 you have to make it to 2. All set. And this also need to make it to link 2, and this will be a /admin. Okay, save. And now guys, let's get back to our master layout. So now guys, let us get back to our template, and over here you can see this is a start and this is your side nav. So let's copy this and move back. Let's set, and we need to close this div tag, so let's copy and paste. CV again. Perfect. So inside this side nav we have to paste our side nav bar. So let's copy this side nav bar, copy and get back. So inside this side nav bar we have to paste. So before pasting here, you need to go to your sidebar which we have created. Okay, so let's paste here. So before that pasting, you need to call this, right? So let's copy this side nav bar and paste. Close this, return, open and close, where you are going to paste your side nav bar which you have copied. So copy again and paste inside this. And now guys, as we have seen that how to replace at once, where class we are going to replace with the class name, replace, and the same with the a tag. Okay, let's make it to link and to give admin, and this one a tag link href to 2. Let's minimize this. So guys, let me just finish this and get back. Perfect. So guys, now you can see that I have just changed with all the links which you can find all over. I have just replaced with the from a tag to link tag. Okay, so guys, now let's set this navbar as sidebar. So the same name we are going to provide. Let's tell sidebar, copy and export that sidebar. Perfect. So now guys, let's take this sidebar and go to our master layout and include in your nav. So let's tell sidebar, which we have created the class, and copy this, just paste it. Okay, so let me just copy from above, navbar, and this is sidebar. So now guys, next step we are going to call the contents and the footer. So let's get back over here, our template. So guys, this is our content with the main tag and the footer. So let's copy this. First we are going to copy this div and paste and close the div, and inside this div we are having the content and the footer. Okay, so let's get back to our React footer, import the class of this footer, copy this footer name, paste. Footer is imported. Let's go to footer.js file, and as we have to import the class and start with the export default, let's copy and paste again. All set guys. So now let's make this as to footer, copy and paste this footer. Let's copy the HTML code of copy and paste inside this return function. So guys, as simple, we have to replace with the link tag, where and all if you find a tag, link, and you should have to use 2 wherever you find href. All set, guys. Let's close this and move to master layout. Perfect. So inside this, now we are going to work with the content. So let's open main tag and close main tag. Now inside this we should have a content, whatever we are going to execute. So first link the CSS. So this design should be loaded, right? So for that you need to go top, and you can find this is data table, we don't require. This is font awesome, just ignore that, and this is the style link. Okay, so let's get back. Import the CSS class. So import, inside single quotes you are going out of the folder. So from master to admin, admin to layout, layout to asset, then you are going to call the path. So let me just move 2 steps back, where assets folder you will find admin css/style.css. Perfect. So same we are going to include with the script tag. So inside your JS file, which is admin, this JS is there, right? Script. So include that script also, JS, where scripts scripts. Perfect. And yep, guys, let's get back. And over here we didn't find the Bootstrap one. So for that Bootstrap one, we are going to see in this below. Okay, so this is the bundle Bootstrap. We need to copy this. So just copy the whole tag, Control C, and paste inside our public folder index.html at the below of the title. Okay, all set. So we just need to include the script tag to load our Bootstrap. Save, guys, and inside this main, let me just write master file. Okay, let's save, and now guys, let's execute this output. So before this seeing the output, you need to specify the path for it. So let's go to src app.js. Just remove all these things we don't require. I don't need this also, let me remove, and we don't need this app.css, app test, index.css. Let's remove all this. Move to recycle bin. Logo svg we don't require. Yep, guys. So first step, we have to go to our index.js and remove this one thing, that is CSS file, so it may not show the error. Let's move to app. Import the React first. React from React, import routers from React router DOM. Okay, so what router you are going to import? That browser, browser router as a router you are telling, and the route, and then switch. All set. So let's use this routes. So copy and close switch switch, close, and then your route specify the path /admin/dashboard. Okay, the component we are going to show, component is equal to open and close curly brace, where you are going to show this component, which is, so we don't have right now component. Let's show the master one. So this master layout, I want to show the output. So let's get back to app.js and tell master layout. Copy this and import the path. So import master layout from what path it is, give / its layouts. So mention layouts /admin / your master layout. Save, guys, and now copy this path and check the output. Refresh. So module not found, which is telling that this path is not found. Okay, so let's move to our master JS file and go to our master layout where, okay, so this is style.css, right? It's not a JS file. So this import is understanding as a style.js. So you need to make it style.css. As simple. Let's save, get back, refresh. Perfect. So now guys, let's give forward slash and add your admin/dashboard. So you can see the setup, guys. Perfect. And now this is our master file. So let's get back, and we want to show, instead of this master file, I want to show all the components like dashboard, product page, category page. So all those order pages you have to show over here. So guys, how can we make that? So let's build it. As simple, let's go to our component and create one folder called admin. So where we are going to create all the admin component, and for the front end like home page, about page, you can create a front end folder where inside this admin component, let me create one file with the name dashboard.js, and the second file which we'll create is as profile.js, and more on you can go on create. So we'll see with the two demos. So first step, let's get back to our master layout, and we have to do some codings over here. So for that, guys, you need to create a route and set and send the render thing. Okay, so before that, go to our dashboard and create one function to show the output. So react where function will be dashboard function, open and close, where return, open and close bracket, and over here you are going to tell in h1 I am dashboard. Okay, and export default this dashboard. Cool. So now let's copy this and paste in our profile. I am profile, you have to mention. Just replace this dashboard with profile. All set. And now guys, let's test this first. So let's go to our app.js where this is the route, right? So let's copy and paste over here and call the dashboard and your profile. Change this to profile. Same way you have to import the class. Import dashboard from where? Inside your components admin dashboard, from root component slash admin slash your dashboard. So same way you are going to check with the profile also. Profile, and make this as admin at exact. So guys, right now we'll comment this and let's see the output of this. Refresh. You can see I am dashboard, and when change with the profile, you can see that I am profile. Okay, so now guys, these things we don't want over here. We need to paste inside the master layout. So for that, guys, let's arrange all this, and inside src let's create one routes folder, routes, where inside this I want to create all the routes.js file, and let's go back and import this your dashboard and your profile inside your routes.js file. Okay, and then the route. So instead of this route, we are going to define another method of route. So let's remove this. We don't require it over here. Let's get back. Why is error is shown? Okay, so let's mention this, uncomment this. Get back to your routes. Create a variable constant of routes of in your array format. So now let's export default routes and inside this you have to give the path. So this path, we are going to set a prefix called admin exact colon true comma and the name colon where admin. Okay, so copy and paste, and you need to add the component over here. So mention this name as dashboard and the component colon dashboard. So this dashboard will work with this dashboard. Okay, give comma, copy and paste, and make the path as dashboard and this admin as profile. Okay, and change this to profile. Perfect. So you can see that. And now guys, you need to import this file into your master. Let me just close all for no confusion. We need a app.js file, routes, and your master. So where is that master layout? And over here, let's import the class. Import what? Routes from the path. Go out of this admin folder, layout folder, and then your routes. So dot where you can tell routes folder, inside that route.js file. Okay, save. And now guys, you need to code the code over here to view all the components of your admin. So whatever the components are there, you have to view over here. So as simple guys, let's remove this. First let's use a switch where all our, if any links are there, it should be switching. So switch, please import the switch. Let's move, import, open and close from React router DOM, where you are going to import switch, and obviously we will be using route and then one redirect also. So let's use this redirect. Set guys, and now let's get back to our main div. And once the application executes, we have to loop all the routes and load it. So for that, let's open and close curly brace and use this routes to loop with the help of map function, where map function, open and close, and let's align this. And now guys, inside this map function, we have to send all our data. So what data you are going to send? All the routes. So route. So this will be getting from your app. Okay, and whatever the index of X, so whatever the ID comes over here. Let's return this, return open and close function, and as simple, let's use this route dot component and open and close parenthesis, and inside this you are going to call your route to redirect to what component you have to go. So route open and close. So give the key first. Key is equal to open and close curly brace where dollar this one. Okay, IDX, and the path is equal to open and close curly brace where the path, all the looped path over here. So route dot your path. So this path is nothing but your route.js you have given over here. Okay, this is the path name. Okay, let's get back, and then guys you have to add exact is equal to open and close where route.exact. So this exact is nothing but inside your route, which will set it to true. Okay, same way, copy and paste and call the name of the component. So route dot name. So whatever name is there, dashboard, profile, whatever it is, it will come over here, and then we have to render it. So let's use render. Render is equal to where curly bracket and then your round bracket, and before this sending inside over here, you need to send the props, props props, where you are going to take the route, route dot component. So this will be set route dot component, open and close, dot 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 props, save. And after this, if anything is called inside this admin, anything is called, then you have to just redirect, okay, from is equal to the route admin. So this admin exact path from here to /admin/ dashboard. Okay, save. And yep guys, so let's get back to our app.js. So let's edit this over here, send the name is equal to admin. So for this route I am creating this route as admin. Okay, set. Let's get back, and then guys you have to send the render. So let's send render is equal to open and close curly braces, open and close brackets, where you are going to send the props, and then your master layout. So what is that master layout, and close this master. All set. And whatever the component you are sharing, you will be sharing with the routes. Okay, so when you move to this, it will go to your master and check over there. So for that you need to open and close curly brace with dot 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 props. Okay, so this will move to your master, and master will check if there is something route like that. It will go to routes and check over here, and then get back and show your output. So guys, now let's test. So get back. So what is this error? Could not resolve this dashboard. So let's move to our route.js to check this. Let's move, go to routes. So the path is over here. We are in the route.js, so one step we have to go back and then go to the components. Okay, so we have to add double dot over here, so it will move out of the folder. Let's save, and now guys let's see, refresh. Cool. So you can see guys, perfect. So let's add that. Let me just go back, copy this, and move to our sidebar. And inside the sidebar, on this dashboard link, let's add it to dashboard, and let's copy and make this as profile, make this link to profile. Okay, save. Let's get back, refresh, click on dashboard. I am dashboard, profile, I am profile. Perfect. So guys, we have successfully set with how to make a admin dashboard using ReactJS. So everything's fine, but let me just give /admin. Okay, it's loading this master, but if I give this admin, it should go to directly dashboard. So this one we have already written the code. Let me just check out. Let's get back in our master layout. So we have redirected, right? So whenever we access okay, we need to give /. Okay, save, and let's hit enter. It will redirect to admin dashboard. Perfect. So once if you are accessing /admin, it will redirect to dashboard. So guys, and one simple page for the home page. Okay, so when we give like this on the home route, we need just a simple page for the home. Let me just add that also. So let's move to our app.js. create a route. So route close where exact where path is equal to /home, and the component which we are going to set, component is equal to, for you can tell, home. So let's copy this and import the path. Import home from which path? I'm inside my app.js file, so I want to go inside my components, and inside components I want to go front end. Okay, so let's tell ./components and front end /home. Okay, so let's copy and create a file with the name home.js. Save, and as simple, guys, you need to copy that function to show the output, where we'll mention this as home, copy, paste, I am home page. Okay, save, refresh. Cool. So I am home page. Let's try to access admin redirect to dashboard. Perfect. So guys, we have successfully completed how to make a admin panel in React.js for our e-commerce website. So guys, let's continue in next video how to start with e-commerce website in React and Laravel API. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.